With rulers. I'm Godzilla. I'm Godzilla. Ow. You're dead. You're dead. You're dead.
Why, hello there. Good morning. Today is Friday. Ooh, it's so beautiful outside. The sun is slowly coming up. Oh, look at the old man over there. There's just one neighbor in our neighborhood. He's like so sweet. I always always want to go say hi to him because he reminds me so much of Marcelo's dad. Marcelo's dad is a sweetheart, the sweetest thing. But he's a hard worker and he takes really good care of his house. And this is what this guy reminds me of. I remember one time when we built our deck and we were walking and he stopped us and he was like, I bet you're the mastermind behind that thing over there that you guys are building. Because his house is like literally right across, right there. He's right there. And he was like, I bet you're the mastermind behind that deck over there. I was like, yep, you got it. I'm the mastermind. But anyways, it's Friday. Hubby had a long day yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, which was good. But hubby had a long day yesterday, so I didn't cook dinner. And today's Friday. Hey, sweetness. Today's Friday, and he has Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So he has 3 days that he's in charge of dinner, lunches, breakfast, all that good stuff. So I get a break, which is awesome. I do Monday through Thursday. Sometimes on Friday I will do it, but Fridays are usually yo-yo. So technically he only has Saturday and Sunday, which is amazing. So today's Friday and he has a long day, so everybody is technically on their own, which is good. More money, more problem, I guess. But next week when he does get paid, I'm gonna go shopping for the kids for Christmas. No. Because I'm not pulling money from our savings to go Christmas shopping. Like, if it's not in the budget, it's just not in the budget.
No, Mom. No.
My kids have a ton of toys. No. I've said that since last year when I did that We Are Broke video. I'm not pulling money from our savings to go get kids toys for a holiday that is not even about them. It's Jesus' birthday. Why should you get a present if it's Jesus' birthday? I never get that concept, but hey, I'm gonna roll with it. But anyways, good morning. I'm about to go drop these kids off at the church because they have rehearsal for tomorrow. They're doing a Christmas program tomorrow on Saturday, so yeah. That's what our Saturdays consist of. Bless you! So, let's go drop these little bambinos off. And I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. You ball one more time up in here. Just, I went out yesterday and forgot to get trash bags. Like, I keep forgetting to get trash bags. But I'm making her some egg right now for breakfast. You don't want the egg? No. Okay. So I'm making her some eggs for breakfast. And what is this? I think Rob is soaking black beans, and this is our oil. I have to dispose of it. This is from all the fat from when you cook the meat and stuff. So we just put it here after, because you can't put this down your disposal. Do not put this down your drain. It will mess up your pipes. So please do not pour grease in your sink. It's really bad for your drain. But Rob is soaking black bean and I don't know what that is. That looks like it's off the tip of my tongue. If you know what that is, comment down below. Okay, so anywho, so yesterday's video I posted didn't do so good. YouTube is hiding me again. YouTube don't like me. They just know that I have the potential to be great. So they're like, no, don't like her. You know, my channel is drama free. I don't bring, you know, all that drama. I'm looking for oil. I don't think we have oil. I think I'm gonna cook her breakfast in a little bit of butter. So YouTube hides me, and yesterday I checked and it turned off my comment section automatically. So that video couldn't comment on it. So I'm sorry for my 2 or 3 folks that wanted to comment. It was off. Sorry, I turned it back on. So you guys are free to comment if you wanted to. I usually respond to comment like, you know, once they come in all in lump sum. So please don't think I'm ignoring you. I just go through, sit down at once and answer comments. Anyways, I'm gonna get this child breakfast and then come back to you guys. Oh no, what did you do? I'm coming. Give me a second. Huh? Black pepper. Huh? Nick is coming to your house? Nick is not coming to your house, baby. I'll call Nick later and you can talk to Nick, okay? Would you like some banana? Yeah. I'm gonna cut up some banana on that and give it to her. And that's her breakfast. So, now I need to bathe her and do her hair. I think I'm gonna do a natural hair on kids for you guys. What do you want? You want banana? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna cut up some banana. I think I'm gonna do a natural hair routine for the girls and put that video up if you guys would like to see it. I know a lot of people have been asking how I do their hair, so I'm gonna do that today. Good morning. Good morning. I think I last vlogged when I was giving Maddie breakfast. Can you reach out for my Jordan? So right now we're going to the kids' Christmas program, and we are running behind, like a little late, because I have to go get white socks, like clean white socks. I don't own white socks for the kids because I'm not about that life. Where's Maddie? Get off the tablet. Let's go. Let's go. I don't have any white socks because I don't own white socks, so I have to go pick up white socks for them for their performance. And yeah, so a little dress, a little black dress. Ooh, so pretty. Anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys at the church.
You got that.
Mama. Maddie.
You got my bird.
Maddie.
I know.
Huh? So we're at church and it's 11, almost 11 o'clock. So the good thing about this church is that it's only an hour. So we get out at 12. We get out at 12. So got Puffy here in all its glory. Hey Puffy, want to say anything, Puffy?
No.
All its glory, it's growing. His hair is growing, so I'm gonna show you Destiny and Jackson in their school performance, and then Rob is over here.
It's a cake.
Yeah, they're gonna Mr. Grumpy. He's not too grumpy today.
No,
He's getting there, right? Is Daddy grumpy today?
No, he's decent today.
Yep, he's not too grumpy today, so.
Usually he's a little mad at Jordan.
Yeah.
Every day.
Jordan is about to get in trouble because he has his game in church and he knows he's not supposed to have it. Jordan, put it away. You're not supposed to have that in church. This is the woman that cursed me out at the kids' school.
Participating and just renewing this knowledge of the Messiah and his birth. We pray these things in Jesus' name.
What are you eating?
I know everything about you.
The same thing. Oh, you know what happened with it?
This thing, he just washed the whole thing out?
Put it already.
This man tried to accuse us of eating his corn when he stuck it in tuna over there.
Already.
Rob lost 20 pounds with me, and I am down to 198 points.
Are you going to taste this?
And I told you guys I wanted to
You
get
want
down
to
to
taste it?
200.
No, that's me so I can eat it or not.
Yeah, I want some. Leave me some. So, I'm excited. I got my next mini goal is to get to 190 because Rob is not going to give me my closet system until I get to what did you say, honey? 170. So, I don't want to, test him to see whether or not he would get it for me if I don't lose the weight. But I'm gonna do it. But I'm saying, either way, if I don't get to that goal, he gonna buy my closet system, cause yeah. But I started beans over here, black beans for dinner. The kids did really well with their program. I'm like, it went really,
mac and cheese.
really well.
You're supposed to be making your mac and cheese.
I'm not making you no mac and cheese.
Oh, no.
Isn't that what she said? Jason? Huh?
I was taught once how to cook beans is that you bring it to a boil
You were in the car.
and then you turn it off
The kids have mac and cheese.
and cover it for 20 minutes and then it should be cooked and then you put it back on the fire. I don't know. I'm gonna try it.
Dry trash.
Oh, it's broken? You broke it?
No.
Okay. Alright, go finish your chore. I'm gonna go straighten up this house and probably put a load of laundry. So I'm gonna go vacuum. If you guys haven't seen my Dyson 11 unboxing, I'm gonna put a link up here so you guys go watch it. For some reason that video didn't do so well. I don't know why. Probably because everyone thought I was unboxing a video, but it's actually a vlog. But anywho, I'm gonna go finish what I have to do. What are you eating? Chicken? Is it good? Let me see your nails. Who did that to your nails? Destiny did that to your nails? You want me to pop out her butt for doing your nails like that? You like it? No, you don't like your nails? Mm-mm. Didn't do a good job? No. Rob made some chicken.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, you big grizzly
I'm
bear.
sorry.
You big grizzly bear.
I'm sorry.
Get off of me, you weirdo. You
I'm
big
sorry.
on me.
Imagine
I'm
this
sorry.
is Zombieland attacking you.
What's wrong with you?
Say it. Say I'm sorry.
You're a big grizzly bear.
Say sorry.
Oh God, he's serious. Help me. Help me,
You
Jordan.
turn him over? It is
Ow,
weird
ow,
that
ow, my gosh, my legs are hurting. Ow, you know what? Ow.
Which way are you gonna go?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hey, JJ,
No.
what did you do to Daddy?
He forced all his weight onto his knee.
Oh, JJ, why? Every time I tell you not to mess with that man, and you keep on doing it.
My legs are hurting.
Get up.
Are you okay? Did you break his leg?
I hope
No, he
so.
forced all his weight onto his knee.
Oh my gosh, you okay, baby?
I can't get up.
Madison,
For you.
did Daddy hurt
Oh.
Bubby? Did Daddy hurt
I can't
Jason?
get up.
How could you not force this
Yeah, he did.
him off?
Aw.
Yeah.
All she cares about is selling her ice cream. That's all she cares about is selling that ice cream.
My leg hurts.
I'll finish.
Okay.
Juju, why are you on the couch?
You broke his spine. How could you not do this yet?
Jason,
Yeah.
you gonna stop messing with the man, the big man?
No.
No? Okay. Well, I can't help you, dude.
I'm gonna continue. You wait
Yep.
till you fall asleep then.
That's because you can't do it when I'm
Why do
awake.
you have to be here? You need to see someone. Can you move? No. Can you move? Stop. Can you move? No. Can you move? No.
Okay, so did I show you guys the bathroom faucet that I spray painted? So this is the fixture that we had. Instead of purchasing a new one, we figured we'll reuse what we have. So Rob spray painted it black. I'm gonna show you guys the faucet. Okay, so that's the black faucet that I spray painted, and I painted the wall, and hubby's gonna put the light back up. Okay, so we're gonna end it here. Oh, I'm strapping everything out the door. We're gonna end it here right now. It's all you, Rob. Go ahead and end it.
What? End it. End it. What do you say?
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
What else? Robbie
What
been
do you
with
say?
me. He's been with me for so long vlogging and he can't end the vlog.
What do you say?
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you
If you're not
guys so much for watching.
If you're not a subscriber,
If you're not a subscriber,
go ahead and hit that
go ahead
subscribe
and hit that subscribe button
down below
down below
and become a sunshine.
and become a sunshine
And
right
we'll
here
talk.
down below.
Yeah, and we'll talk to you.
And we'll talk to you tomorrow. Is that
Bye.
good?
Yes, that was perfect.
Yeah, okay.
That was perfect. Aww. Rob gonna go get something. You want something?
I already got some.
Alright, sooner or later.